everyone. Welcome back to Talk English Daily. I have a question for you. Do you like to have fun? Of course you do. But do you know how to talk about your fun activities in simple English? When someone asks you, "What do you do for fun?" Do you feel a little stuck? Don't worry. Today, we will learn the best, easiest, and most natural ways to answer this question. By the end of this video, you will be a pro at sharing your favorite hobbies. Let's get started. Hi, John. You look happy today.
Hi, Emily. Yes, I am. It's Friday.
That's great. So, what do you do for fun on the weekend?
Oh, I like to read books. It's relaxing. And you?
I love to watch movies with my friends. It is so fun.
That sounds nice. Maybe we can go together sometime.
Sure, that is a great idea. Wow, that was a short and natural conversation. Did you catch the key question? What do you do for fun? Let's break down the important parts. For fun means to enjoy yourself or for pleasure. It's an easy way to ask about hobbies or free time activities. Repeat after me. For fun. Good. Read books. We use the verb read plus the object books. Say, read books. Watch movies. Another simple activity. We use the verb watch plus the object movies. Say, watch movies. Let's look closely at the question. What do you do for fun? What asks about the thing. Do is the verb. For fun tells us the reason. This structure is very important in English. You can also hear people say, "What are your hobbies?" But what do you do for fun is more common in daily chat. The phrase, "What do you do for fun?" is informal. It's perfect for friends, classmates, or people you are meeting for the first time in a casual setting. It shows you want to connect and talk about personal interests.
Here are 5 super simple ways to answer the question, what do you do for fun? Focus on the easy structure. I like to. Activity. I like to cook. I love to play sports. Use love if you feel very strongly about it. I enjoy listening to music. Notice we use listening with enjoy. I go shopping. Simple. Just go plus activity. I just relax at home. This is a good simple answer when you don't do much.
Let's practice saying these answers very slowly, 3 times each. Remember, repetition is the key to speaking well. I like to cook. Repeat. I like to cook. Repeat. I like to cook. I love to play sports. Repeat. I love to play sports. Repeat. I love to play sports. I enjoy listening to music. Repeat. I enjoy listening to music. Repeat. I enjoy listening to music. I go shopping. Repeat. I go shopping. Repeat. I go shopping. I just relax at home. Repeat. I just relax at home. Repeat. I just relax at home.
Amazing job! Now let's try some other easy activities. You can say, I like to play games. Repeat. 3 times, please. I like to go running. Repeat. 3 times, please. I enjoy drawing pictures. Repeat. 3 times, please. I love to go travel. Repeat. 3 times, please. I just sleep. Repeat. 3 times, please.
Time to put it all together. I am Imini, and I will ask you the question. You are the student, and you will say the answer out loud. I will give you a little time to speak. Practice set 1. Using I like to. Hello. What do you do for fun?
You can say, I like to watch TV.
What do you do for fun?
You can say, I like to cook dinner.
Practice set 2. Using I love to. It's the weekend. What do you love to do for fun?
You can say, I love to play soccer.
That sounds exciting. What do you do for fun?
You can say, I love to spend time with my family.
Let's try one more time, but this time you ask me the question first. Ready? Ask me.
You can say, what do you do for fun?
Great question. I like to go to the park and see the dogs. Now, your turn to answer. And you, what do you do for fun? Here is a secret tip to sound more natural, just like John in our dialogue. When someone tells you their hobby, always say a quick, friendly response. Use these. That sounds fun. Simple and friendly. Shows you like the idea. Oh, really? I like that too. Shows connection. Great for making friends. That's interesting. Polite way to acknowledge, especially if you don't know the hobby. Practice saying, that sounds fun. 3 times. Use it when you hear a new hobby. Okay, English superstars. Your homework is to use one of these phrases today. Tell us in the comments, what do you do for fun? Maybe I will see a new hobby. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the bell so you don't miss our next lesson.
And guess what? Tomorrow we have a fun, short video coming out where we will learn how to ask about someone's favorite food. It will be super useful. Don't miss it. See you next time and keep practicing your English. Bye-bye.